Good morning, grade 7. Now, inshallah, we are going to study a new session which is called Cycling of Earth's Material. Okay, and now we are in the 10th week, and the 10th week value called not extravagant. And don't be don't waste any time, don't waste anything as you have. Okay, cycling of Earth's material. We're going to differ between organic and inorganic materials and recycling of Earth's material to be found at its shape now. Okay, cycling of Earth's material. Okay, first part, what is the rock? What is the rock? Okay, so we are going to move step by step. What is the rock? Three friends looked at rock. They each had different idea about the rock. Okay, what's your idea about the rock? Okay, your idea about the rock. Who do you agree with the most? Okay, number one, Tanya, I think rocks are a type of minerals. All rocks are minerals. Another thing, I think rocks are mixture that contain different material. The third explain, okay, I think rocks are large, solid object. They are larger than stones. Okay, so what is the best answer? Yes. Okay, I think rocks are a type of minerals. Rocks type of minerals. All rocks are minerals. It's okay. Okay, you will revisit your response to science throughout and the lessons. Okay, after that, encounter the phenomena that the cycling of the Earth's material. Okay, this is what's meant. Okay, what this picture explains. It's a magma. Okay, it's a volcano, active volcano. Okay, that pushes lava from its center to outside. Okay, how can this lava that originated deep below Earth as magma eventually becomes a sandstone? But okay, after the solidification of this lava produced, okay, this lava inside the volcano called magma. And when it reaches the surface, so it's called lava. This lava, when they are thrown outward from the volcano, so it will be solidified and make stone after that. So these stones or these rocks after that have many minerals come out from the center of the earth. Okay? Watch the video cooling lava to see the phenomena in action. Okay? So, with this video, okay, observe what happens as the lava throw out inside the surface, okay, of this. After solidification, it will be rocks. Okay. After that, to explain this phenomena, what happens to this phenomena? What happens to this phenomenon? Okay, listen please.
Explain the phenomenon you just observed: molten rock transforming as it comes in contact with ocean water. Use the evidence you gathered from the video to make a claim about how one type of earth material could become another type.
So you just observed molten rocks. This is called the molten rocks. Transforming as it comes in contact with ocean water, okay, use the evidence you gathered from the video to make claim about how one type of earth material could become another type. How the type of earth material will change to another type. Okay, this is your claim that you are going to explain your answer. Okay. As you work through the lesson, then return to this page to record your evidence. Okay. What evidence have you discovered to explain why lava flowing out of a volcano becomes igneous rocks? Okay, so because they are formed from the inside of volcano, so when they reach out the earth after solidification, it will be igneous rocks. So igneous rocks, they are the rocks that formed from the center of volcano as igneous rocks. What evidence have you discovered to explain how sedimentary rocks form? Sedimentary rocks that we studied before in the last lesson. That sedimentary rocks that formed according to 3 steps: erosion, then transferring, ending with sedimentation. So it will form sedimentary rocks. And there is difference between sedimentary rocks that we studied before that formed from 3 steps: erosion, transferring or transformation, then end with sedimentation. But igneous rocks formed from the side of volcano after solidification and after being cooling. What evidence have you discovered to explain the conditions necessary from metamorphic rocks? Metamorphic rocks is another rocks that metamorphic rocks will be changed igneous into metamorphic and vice versa. Okay, sedimentary rocks or igneous rocks can change into metamorphic rocks, but under conditions of temperature and pressure. What evidence have you discovered to explain how Earth's material cycle make a recycling after that? Okay, so after that, rock details. What about the rock details? Okay, details of rocks. What are the formation of rocks? Okay, first, what is the rock? You have probably seen different types of rocks, either outside or in photographs. What makes rock different? In this activity, you will observe differences among rock samples. Okay, this is a rock. This is rock sample. Okay, and another rock. Okay, so there are types of different rocks. Okay. After writing your observation and conclusion, okay, observing from these types of rocks, and that they differ in their shape, differ in their color, okay, according to the type of the rocks. So rocks and material. What's meant by rock? It's rock. Rock, it means what? Rock, it's a naturally occurring solid composed of minerals, rock fragment, and sometimes other materials such as organic matter. So organic matter, they are the parts of living organisms that may be found inside the center of the rocks. So this is the meaning of rocks. Okay, rocks and minerals. Rock, this, but minerals is what? Minerals are actually occurring inorganic solid that has a crystal structure and a different chemical composition. This is a mineral. Okay, a naturally occurring inorganic solid that has a crystal structure and a different chemical composition. Okay, so it's difference between rock and minerals. Rocks and minerals. Rock is a naturally occurring solid mixture composed of minerals, smaller rock fragment, organic matter, or glass. Geologists call the fragments that make up a rock grains. Most rocks are composed of minerals. So what's meant by mineral? A mineral is a naturally occurring inorganic solid with a different chemical composition and an orderly arrangement of atoms or ions. The arrangement of the grains provides clues to understanding how the rock formed. Okay, listen again to this paragraph.
What is a rock? Rocks and minerals. A rock is a naturally occurring solid mixture composed of minerals, smaller rock fragments, organic matter, or glass. Geologists call the fragments that make up a rock grains. Most rocks are composed of minerals. A mineral is a naturally occurring, inorganic solid with a definite chemical composition and an orderly arrangement of atoms or ions. The arrangement of the grains provides clues to understanding how the rocks formed.
Okay. After that, this is Mount Rushmore. Okay, Mount Rushmore National Monument. Okay, National Monument located in the South Dakota. Okay, lesson please.
ART connection. Mount Rushmore National Monument, located in South Dakota, is a sculpture carved in granite. Granite is a mixture of feldspar, quartz, mica, hornblende, and other minerals. The composition of this rock allows the sculpture to withstand erosional elements such as water, light, and ice. Granite erodes very slowly at only 2.5 centimeters every 10,000 years. This monument will look down on visitors for thousands of years to come.
So, what's meant by this and what is the important part of this? Okay, Mount, this example of granite. Okay, so what's meant by granite? Granite is what? Or composed of what? Granite is a mixture of feldspar, quartz, mica, horn, and other minerals. So we can conclude that this rock is type of rock that's called granite, and this granite is composed of some minerals. So we can observe that all rocks consist of minerals. This is example of granite, and this granite consists of what? Consists of these minerals as feldspar, quartz, mica, horn, and other minerals. It's okay? Okay, check this. After that, the composition of this rock allows the sculpture of wizard. Original elements such as water, wind, and ice. Granite roots very slowly at only 2.5 centimeters every 10,000 years. This mountain will look down on visitors for thousands of years to come. It's okay? After that, investigation of sugar rocks. Okay? To complete the composition of rocks that consist of some minerals, as we studied. How do igneous rocks form? How do igneous rocks form? It's okay. As we said before, that igneous rocks formed from the inside of volcanoes, as the magma inside volcanoes that reach up to form lava. These molten rocks or lava that falls inside the outside the earth, so it will form rocks. After the solidification of these rocks will form igneous rocks. So igneous rocks started from the volcanoes as this after solidification. And this picture, so it has what small holes, okay, and hard shape. There are three major groups of rocks, okay, which are number one, igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Okay, metamorphic rocks. So we are going to explain the differentiation between them. These rocks types form as a result of natural processes that occur on and below the Earth's surface. As igneous rocks like the one shown to the right, are the most abundant rocks on the earth. Most of them form deep below Earth's surface, but some form on Earth's surface. Igneous rocks might form in different places, but they all form in a similar way. Let's investigate. Okay, listen please to this paragraph.
How do igneous rocks form? There are three major groups of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. These rock types form as a result of natural processes that occur on and below Earth's surface. Igneous rocks, like the one shown to the right, are the most abundant rocks on Earth. Most of them form deep below Earth's surface, but some form on Earth's surface. Igneous rocks might form in different places, but they all form in a similar way. Let's investigate.
Inshallah, we are going to complete the differentiation between the three types of rocks in last session, next session, inshallah. Good luck, grade 7, and see you soon. Goodbye.